All right, so she lives 3/4 of a mile away. She ran 2/3, and we need to know how much of a mile did she run. So again, so the whole mile would continue for another quarter, so that would be 1 mile, right? And they live 3/4 of a mile. She ran 2/3 of a mile. Okay, so if we did by fourths, right, it would kind of look like that. And she ran here, so she ran 2/3 of 3/4. Man, so I'm gonna have to think about this. So if I think about fourths and I cut it into thirds, how many do we have there? Fourths. 1, 2. Wait, hold on a second. I think I need to redo this. Alright, so just so I don't confuse everybody, I'm going to redo my drawing. So if I have 0 mile here and 1 mile here, and I cut this into fourths, here is the school. Right, this is the school. And this is 1/4 of a mile, this is 1/2 of a mile, 3/4 of a mile. Right, here's her home. And then she ran 2/3. Well, how can we picture that? Well, we have to split everything into thirds so that we can think about 2/3. So if I go in between 0 and 1, I want to split this into thirds. I'm going to split this into thirds. Split this into thirds. So now this whole thing is 1, 2, 3. That's 1/3. 1, 2, 3. 2/3. 1, 2, 3. 3/3. So 3/3 of the whole thing is 3/4. I know it gets confusing, doesn't it? So if she ran 2/3, this is 1/3, and now 2/3. So 2/3 of the way there is 1/2. And what's the equation? The equation is 2/3 times or of 3/4. And that's going to give us 6/12 or 1/2. Because we can count this up to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6/12. Okay, because that's the whole mile. There would be 12. Again, if you're struggling with the concepts right now, it's not that important. We are going to be doing some smaller work together on trying to firm up your foundations of fractions. And this stuff is confusing. It's hard to understand. So what I want you to do right now is kind of close your eyes for 10 seconds and think about what we've been doing. All right, and off to the next.